In this video, I'm going to show you how you can increase WP memory limit in Hostinger. So let's jump into it. So first go to Hostinger and log in to your account. Now once you've logged in, you'll be on this page here. Now what you want to do is find the website that you want to edit here. So I'm going to go to the three dots in the top right hand corner and then head over to websites. Alternatively, you might see websites up here. Just click on it and then find the website you want to edit, then go to manage. Now once you're inside of the H panel of that website, you then want to go to file manager and that will open up in a new window. And then once this has been redirected, we can now go to public HTML, so go ahead and double click on that. Once you've done that, you want to scroll down and you want to head over to WP config. So right click on that and then click edit. Now from here, you now need to copy the code, which I'll leave in the description below. So the code you need to copy is going to be this here. So go ahead and copy the whole thing. I'll leave it in the description below. Once you've got it copied, head back over to the WP config window and you want to scroll here all the way down and it should say here, that's all, stop editing, happy publishing. Go one line above that, then click enter, and then you want to paste in that code here on that new line. So just go ahead and paste it in, it should look something like that. Then you can go ahead and click save in the top right hand corner. Now once you've done that and you've saved it, go ahead and exit out of that and you then should have done it. So that's all you have to do to increase WP memory limit in Hostinger.